Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Komal Shekhawat and I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I shall explain some Excel text functions. Suppose you are dealing with some text information in the Excel with some small letters. Some of them are in capital letters. The spacing between the letters is not uniform. So, if you want to arrange the text uniformly, you may follow some Excel text functions. First of all, let's understand the trim function. Suppose you want to make the spacing between the words uniform or you want to have a parity in spacing. Let's say you have a list containing names of some individuals, and you can see here the spacing in the list is not uniform, right? You can have a look in the entire column, the spacing in the list, the name of the individuals is not uniform. So trim function is used to make the spacing between the words uniform. For this, one can use the function trim as follows. So you have to click on equal to and then write trim, select the trim function and then select the concerned cell and then close the bracket. Once done, press enter. So now you can see the first cell has removed the excess space, and if you use this addition symbol to arrange the space or to make the space uniform throughout the column, you can see the unnecessary space or the undesired space has been removed, right? Now let's understand the next text function, which is proper. Now suppose you want to have first alphabet of every word should be capital. So for this, we have the function proper. So what you have to do is select equal and then write the function proper, okay? And then select the concerned cell, right? And then close the bracket and then press enter. Now you can see the first letter of the word is capital and rest all the letters are in small, right? And again using this addition symbol, you can see the entire list has been formatted in that particular order. So you can see now the name of the candidates are having the first letter as capital and rest all the letters are small. Now let's understand the third text function, which is uppercase. Now suppose you have some text information wherein all the letters are in small or some of them are in capital. And if you want to have all the text information in uppercase, so what you can do again, use the symbol equal to and then write uppercase, select this function and then select the concerned cell or the concerned text information which you want to convert in uppercase. Close the bracket and then press enter. Now you can see the name of the candidates will appear in uppercase. Okay, and in the similar fashion, by using this addition symbol, you can see you have the list, the entire list in uppercase now. Likewise, if you want to convert your text information in lowercase, the formula here is equal to and then write lowercase or select the function lower and then select the concerned cell. Let's say we have the text information in uppercase in column H. You want to have this entire information in lowercase. So then select the concerned cell, close the bracket and then press enter. Now you can see you have the name of the individual or the entire text information in lowercase, right? And again, by using this doctor symbol, double clicking, you can see you have the entire list in lowercase format. So by using such text functions, you can expedite your working in Excel and you can make your task very convenient. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.